Okay, welcome to another episode of Full Pelt Adventures. Just here in the garage. So I'm about to replace the front tyre. Now this is a Dunlop D606. It's done just over 7,000 kilometres. There's still a little bit of meat on it in this section that you can see, but as I rotate the tyre around, you'll see how unevenly it's worn. So just coming up to this section here, the knobbies have worn right down. You know, these two knobbies here are like virtually non-existent. So it's really bad wear through there. So just take note of how worn down the knobbies are in this section. And then as I keep rotating it, it starts to get better here. And the knobby's starting to look all right, you know, like if the whole tyre was like that, you know, yeah, I wouldn't be replacing it. That's fine. There's still a bit of wear left there. But obviously this tyre is either out of balance or it's just worn unevenly. So yeah, now we're going back into that section there where it starts to wear really poorly. I'll try and focus. Focus. There we go. So yeah, even up there, you can see how low the knobbies are. Just through here. And then they start to improve again. Yeah, so I've disconnected, I'll just throw you around here. I've just disconnected the brake over this side. Okay, so down here I've just put a mark on the rim. That seems to be the heavy spot there when I rotate the tyre. And then we've got a weight on there. We've got the rim lock there, and over the other side there you can see the valve. So I'll just rotate the wheel. Excuse me. I'll speed this up. But it usually comes back roughly to that spot where I marked the rim. There's the spot there. Yeah, so it usually sits around about there as the heavy point. So with the weight here, it's so at that heavy point, which is right there. Yeah, this is where the knobbies do start to really taper off, and then this section through here, which is virtually near the weight there, the balance weight. This is where the worst of the wear is through this section. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you guys that very uneven wear, and I'll replace it. So like 7,000 k out of the tyre is really good. I reckon it's really good, and you know, half of that will be on the road, and the other half will be on dirt. At least I do a lot of road miles on it, so it's worn really well. But it's just really worn unevenly. Like the knobs there, that's great. You can still get 1,000 or 2,000 k out of the knobs there, but because it's I'll just bring it back. Right here, they're just gone. Nothing there. Yeah, so here's the replacement tyre that I'm going to put on it. It's just a brand new D606. So you can, you know, sort of see the difference there. Great tyre. There's the comparison there from old to new. So yeah, I'll be just running another one of these on the front. I have had an MT21 on the front. And you know, in my eyes there wasn't a lot of difference. I thought the MT21 was really good, just slightly softer I reckon than the 606. So yeah, the 606 probably suits my style of riding just a little bit better. Being a harder compound, I do a few miles on the tarmac. So yeah, this tyre for me is what I think I'll be running. Anyway, there's my thoughts on it. Hopefully I'll get this tyre replaced, or this tyre replaced, and get the wheel balanced, and it'll be interesting to see how this tyre wears. All right, I'll catch you later.